Today I want to talk about blockchain and really, why do I care? So let's start with the question, what is blockchain? Well, there are different kinds, but I'd like to use the most well-known version of this technology, Bitcoin, as my example. This is a proof of work type of blockchain. And let's say I want to send some money to China. Well, I can initiate the transfer of money by sending a block of data along the blockchain that is specific to the amount of Bitcoin that I'd like to send. At its core, the blockchain consists of a completely decentralized global network of computers, commonly called nodes, whose purpose is to validate that this information is correct before it can move forward along the chain. If this information is fraudulent, it gets kicked back. But if it's accurate and true, then the block will go to the next node, and then the next node, and so on, forming a chain for this block of data, hence the name blockchain. Each node records the data so it becomes completely indisputable and cannot be hacked by a third party. Now, this may sound like a long process, but it can actually happen rather quickly. A Bitcoin transfer cannot be disputed, is free from fraud, and arrives within minutes, and it's actually much cheaper than today's model. Now, why do I care about blockchain? In short, it will save you time, money, and be more secure. Before Bitcoin, in the previous scenario, you'd have to use a company named Swift for a money transfer. And if you've ever sent money via Western Union, then you know that this process can be painfully slow, particularly if you're converting to another currency. Additionally, their error rate is 6%, which is alarmingly high in my opinion, and the whole process is quite costly. In this day and age, there are tons of companies like Uber, Netflix, and Amazon that are called disruptors because they're solving an existing problem in a better way. I believe that blockchain can do that for many industries, and we're already seeing it being implemented in lots of areas. In real estate, blockchain technology is currently being used to create a centralized dashboard for each transaction where information can be shared more easily between the parties to that transaction. The current process from contract to close is filled with redundancies, and I believe that we can do better. I mean, who hasn't been frustrated by having to send the same document twice when buying a piece of property? Blockchain can create a more efficient process, a clearer chain of title of ownership, and allows us to fund quicker and safer, which makes the whole real estate process more enjoyable, faster, and cheaper. This is all really exciting to me, and I'm looking forward to participating in any way I can. And I'm also looking forward to providing information to all of you guys. Thanks for listening.